off to get right. I know the guy in the cockpit, drinks on me tonight. Too many songs have overload, all these drugs have overdosed. You better pay what you owe or leave with the help of mission. Got everybody's attention, I know the truth and I am not kidding. Already finished, you start back at the beginning. How am I already winning? How am I already winning? How am I already winning? I'm going in but I'm off it, left it off to get right. I know the guy in I'm feeling like Santa, rocking out Santana. I could pull up in the Phantom, I don't need any attention. About to reload my prescription.
Time to reload the Western. I feel like I'm in the Western. I can check into the Western. Time to reload the Western. I feel like I'm in the Western.
Already finished, you start back at the beginning. How am I already winning? How am I already winning? How am I already winning? I'm going in but I'm off it, left it off to get right. I know the guy in the cockpit, drinks on me tonight. Too many songs never. As soon as it hits me, I'm getting tipsy. I'll be a legend if they ever kill me. Pressing your head, just tell them to build me. I could care less if they ever feel it. Gotta say something, you better spill it. Send in the pack and I always seal it. Can't trust anybody, they might steal it. Better take caution, you on the watch list. Whoever
The Western. I feel like I'm in the Western. I can check into the Western. Time to reload the Western. I feel like I'm in the Western. I can check into the Western.
Now better get you to give me your attention. I be hoping you keep it positive, I don't want it to be tension. Cause if I gotta start defending, we'll come out the Smith and Wesson and send you into another dimension.
I tried everything but they never listen. Gotta admit it, I got the game as a mission. Got everybody's attention, I know the truth and I am not kidding. Already finished, you start back at the beginning. How am I already winning? How am I already winning? How am I already winning?
I got the loot, I got the coupe, and I get loose. While I am with Aaron, we staring him right in the face of the pace of a murderer. When it becoming a rhythm, and if he enter my area over the barrier, then I'ma show him why somebody better be coming to get him, and I'll be teaching him a lesson. Come up out of this alive, and it'll really be a blessing. I eat him up like a delicatessen. Semi-automatic flows when
Can't trust anybody, they might steal it. Better take caution, you on the watch list. Whoever's driving, buy them a car. Whoever's talking, they better stop. Get someone to pop them while you're talking. Now in the back, I'm feeling like Santa, rocking out Santana. I could pull up in the Phantom, I don't need any attention. I don't need any attention, have to reload my prescription.
Time to reload the Western. I feel like I'm in the Western. I can check into the Western. Time to reload the Western. I feel like I'm in the Western. I can check into the Western. Time to reload the Western. I feel like
Please God, put the fur on Aaron. No. Deep freezers and Crocs are essential. Maria, I love you. Great interview with Steve-O. Cool. God, you thought it was great. Ooh, I like Haley. She said, rich people are rich for making smart moves, investments. Rich people are rich from making smart moves. He knows the fuck he's doing. Yeah, I did figure it out, though. That's true. Why is it anyone's business what he makes or has? It's his and his business only. Everything I do is everyone's business, right? They're so obsessed. Do I ever feel like there's room for reconciliation? Oh, yeah. All my family and I are on good terms now. Yeah, everything's good. Copacetic. Next subject. I have 4 pair of Crocs, Birkenstocks. That doesn't make you rich. I sure ain't rich. Well, you sure ain't here anymore. Bye, Alicia. Go get a microwave from someone else. Get out of here, Allie daughter. Need you here. Dude got fucked and lost money and made it from the bottom up. Beat addiction along the way. Hard to do, man. Props. Wow, thank you for saying that. That means a lot to me. I'm definitely posting that on my story. Someone said, babe, I just followed him. His name's Dylan. He goes, dude got fucked, me, and lost a lot of money and made it from the bottom up. I beat addictions along the way. Hard to do, man. Props.
That's nice.
Wasn't easy, but it ain't easy being greasy, is it?
Socks. Now it takes all my socks. They've disappeared.
To Atlanta? You want me to come to Atlanta?
Uh-oh.
I'll come to Atlanta. Atlanta. Probably hospitals or something.
No, why do you take all my socks?
Why did I get my face tatted? Why don't you ask me on live? Come join the live. Let's make it a little bit more interesting. I'm bored. I'm about to hang up. And he doesn't leech off of his brother. He takes care of his son, fiance, mother, and the people he loves the most. Boom! Look at that. As far you for that. You a G. I'm gonna leave that pinned up for a minute. And he doesn't leech off his brother, and he takes care of his son, fiance, mother, and people he loves the most. That I do. That I do, because I'm a real hood figure.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm getting all of his blankets and stuff.
Deal with addiction every day when you beating them. We gotta stay strong, man. We can overcome anything in this world. And here comes a goofy Karen. What the fuck are you doing? I'm chewing on my sweater string. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, I know what you're doing. Watching a blank screen. Getting kicked out of the restaurant. For being an obnoxious, drunk piece of shit. Damn, girl, 28 years clean? Congratulations, that's a huge feat. That is a snarky. H. Suter said, I think Aaron realized the second time around money is nice, but it can't buy you a home. It can buy you nice things, but not happiness. Correct. That's why he does better with his money this time around. 100. Hey, I appreciate you a lot. Appreciate you a lot. Screenshot that. Bada boom, bada bing. I love posting shit like that on the stories. And you're welcome, and you deserve the affirmations for your accolades. Miss Sunstars. I'm being fussy. What? I got you, buddy. Jason Pleasant, what's up, buddy? I saw your latest post dancing to Britney Spears. You're always killing it, bro. Always killing it. My child is the greatest gift that I've ever gotten. It's better than money. It's better than it's better than your love. No offense, but your love means a lot to me. But this is just a whole nother level. Tabitha said, "Wow, silence when he gets his dad. When he gets daddy." You. That's how we roll. You all right there, babe? Sound like Zelda about to pop out another baby or something.
You want me to?
Yes. But he better be a good big brother.
Oh. Yes.
Why did I block Anna Miller? I don't know. Answer me this. Why did I block you too? I don't know. I guess you'll just riddle me that, huh? Welcome to my circus. Oh, hello. What? You're a good girl. Welcome to my circus. Well, yeah, I see you. What? What's up, girl? What's up? Babe, she's a camera hog. It's crazy. Look at her.
Oh no?
Yeah, look at her. She knows every time. She grew up with this. Almost 4 years old. Yeah, almost 4 years old. Can we believe that? The pug queen. The most famous pug in the world besides Doug the pug, right here.
I know that.
Yeah, she's got TMG articles and everything.
No. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, the pug queen. You the pug queen. Oh my god, pug's breath though. Oh. Yeah, okay, all right. Morgan, here what Morgan's commented. I gotta hear what he said because he's very limited. Once I spotted Aaron Carter at the Olive Garden, and he generously tipped the waiters $10,000 in cash and paid for everyone's meal. He also gave his Rolex to the couple next to him.
Don't ever do that in front of me, babe. I'll get mad. No, I'm just
That's when we were out. She did get mad. It's okay. Yeah, we were. Yeah, that's how Morgan and I met. We were at the Olive Garden. You know, I was just eating them. You know, them breadsticks. Actually, you know what? Now I need our Olive Garden. Can we order our Olive Garden right now? He literally just came in and made everyone. Morgan said, once I spotted Aaron Carter at the Olive Garden, and he generously tipped the waitresses $10,000 in cash and paid for everyone's meal. He also gave his Rolex to the couple next to him. You know, I just felt like it was appropriate, you know. She was wearing, you know, an Omega, and I didn't think that sufficed. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Water sucks. We're the only people that know what that is. Look, who cares about fucking money? Pay it forward. What time is it where you are in AM? England. Oh, it's 2 in the morning in England. Oh, what's up, England? Throw up your flags. Where are you at? Where would you like me to tour? Where would you like me to go? Let's get some statistical data. H2O. Water sucks. It really